So kahit isang credit card lang yan, you are starting to build your credibility. Life circumstances happen unexpectedly. At aminin natin, walang exempted kahit isa sa atin. At dito, nangyayari ang unexpected expenses like sira ang appliances, medical needs, biglang school payments, last-minute travel, and many more. Instead of umutang sa iba, which kung minsan ang hirap gawin, it takes a lot of courage, boldness, para sabihing, auntie o sa pinsan, pautang naman. Pwede natin gamitin ang ating mga credit card temporarily, basta meron tayong payment plan. Importante yon. Okay, so let me remind everyone, ginagamit natin ang ating mga credit cards with intention and not impulse. Okay? At ang third value, ito ang favorite ko. With just one credit card, matututunan mo ang financial management and financial discipline. Eto hindi natin kailangan ng maraming credit cards para tayo ay matuto na mag-track ng expenses, mag-budget, umiwas sa unnecessary spending, at mag-practice ng on-time payments. Kung baga dyan sa isang credit card mo, natututunan mong kontrolin ang finances mo, kaya yan ang isang magandang financial training ground.